Hello guys, SuperGreen21 here and welcome back to another video. And for today's video guys, I'm doing a mod review again. So yeah, as you can see in the upper right part, you can see a hunger bar in PC. And yeah, let's review this mod now, okay? While clicking the hunger bar to get down, let's just explore this place. It's pretty cool. Okay. Um let's get some wood. Waiting for it. So yeah, I reviewed this mod lately and it's pretty cool. Okay, you can see that it's getting down. Okay, let's have a quacking exercise. Is that what I called? Okay. Okay, let's get it. Oh, what a hole. Okay, guys. Okay, there's a cave in here. Okay, okay, jump. Let's waste our energy. Okay, there. Okay, and let's take a potato. Okay, there. And there, okay. The hunger bar is increasing. Okay, let's eat. And while our health is increasing too, let's wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's very cool. This mod is very cool. So if you wanna download this mod, because this mod is pretty awesome, you can check in the description below. Okay, okay, I can fly. Ooh, cool. Okay, let's get up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, see you around, guys. Goodbye.